Hello.
हेलो
Here.
हाउ आर
अरे ये.
हाँ जी
Yes,
इधर हो
hi,
आप
hi.
Here.
मुझे नहीं दिखाई दे रहा
From the
अच्छा
reserve,
सॉरी
reserve.
अच्छा मीडिया नमस्ते बोलिए सर
What is a शानदार date for you? Because we have all crazy fan
Yeah.
of yours, so उनको भी जानना है.
A शानदार date for me honestly is I'm not into this whole candlelight and going out and dressing up. मेरे को पजामा में घर बैठना है, अपना favorite TV show देखना है, Game of Thrones, Friends. Wanna eat my favorite cheap food, whether it's like pizza, whether it's like something. अभी मैं vegetarian बन गई हूँ, so it's my cheap food has become a little bit less. चाट, समोसा, वो सब खाना. I wanna be in the comfort of my home with my partner. And just be myself and not go out and dress up. That my idea of a शानदार and ideal date would be that.
हाँ मतलब एक दूसरे के ऊपर पिज्जा फेंक रहे चाट फेंक रहे so nice this feels
शाहिद के अलावा शानदार डेट पे आप इंडस्ट्री में किसके साथ जाना चाहेंगे?
ओए मेरे को क्यों हटा दिया यार
Sir, you already committed.
अरे भैया everybody is committed in some way or the other मतलब hypothetically तो मेरे को alive रहने दो अच्छा ठीक है बोलो कोई और किसी और का नाम आ लिया ले मुझे
मैं कैसे किसी और का नाम ले who should I go on a date with? You guys tell me. With you now?
सब अपना नाम ले रहे हैं
Industry, say names. I heard some. I'll tell you something.
you know I am one of you and you are taking other names and not my name I'm very hurt
I'll tell you, मैं शानदार डेट पे शाहिद और मिठी भाई के सारे स्टूडेंट्स के साथ रहूंगी. This is my शानदार डेट today. I'm having a very nice day. Thank you guys.
yes hello yes
Yes.
hello yes alright
So, what do you think?
वो आदमी साइड में बोला अरे नहीं यार यहाँ पे ये सवाल नहीं आप पूछिए
So, do you think the society is becoming really strict towards creative?
You got your answer from the audience. Audience is king, so I think we should go with another question. Please.
No, I just want to say this. I just want to say this that it's very important to be able to accept different point of views. If we get very restrictive in life about what can and can't be done, then it becomes a very you're creating situations for frustration. You're creating situations where people are going to feel suppressed. And yes, sometimes as a creative person, you do feel like there is so much pressure. Like even when we come out to an event or anywhere, there's this feeling of having the need to be overtly careful all the time. Because people are just waiting to find an excuse to go out there and say, hey, see what he did. The fact is that we're all human and we should all be a little more accepting of creativity. And I feel like, let the people decide what they feel is good and what they isn't. Because we are here for the audience. I mean, when we do a bad film, they turn around and say, listen, we didn't like it, and that's very clear. And similarly, when they like, so I think people should be allowed to decide, and things should not be so dominant. It feels a bit oppressive sometimes. Yes.
Hi.
I have a question for like, how do you feel to be the youngest established actor in Bollywood?
Actor. Yeah, but he's not actually an actor.
Yeah,
I'm from Mumbai.
Isn't Darshil younger than me? Darshil is quite established, right? No? Okay.
It's not that established. So.
It's a compliment, Alia. You can say thank you.
I know, but I was being modest. Honestly, what really feels good is to come here and to get this love from you guys, because when I do my films, I do it for y'all. I want your appreciation, I want your love, and I just want you to not be disappointed by me. So it feels really great, honestly, to be standing here and just witnessing this. Just looking at you guys, smiling, clapping, screaming, cheering to my song. That's the biggest high anybody can ever feel, and I don't think I'll ever stop feeling grateful.
So, if you like it so much, will you be coming to Kshitij?
Dude, I would love to come to Kshitij. All my friends have been a part.
beware of this boy. घुमा के इसने जो फेंका है बेटा. Well done. सही है.
Do I need to recall the dates?
Your associate has told me, but I wanted to say I have had friends who have been a part of the Cittage organization, like alumni or whatever party, and I have seen them like really work day and night on Cittage, man. Like you guys don't sleep, you're like constantly trying to get people to like just have a comfortable time. There's so much talent. If I really wish that Cittage was happening right now, it would be the most amazing place to come and launch our song. Cittage is so shandar, and why can't we be shandar with Cittage?
I want to ask, there is a button on social media, Facebook, with dislike button, new dislike button. So I want to ask, where you will use this?
ये कब स्टार्ट हुआ यार? मेरे को तो पता नहीं इसके बारे में. Shit. हैं? अच्छा. Do you think this is good? Do you think this dislike button is good? Why do you think they're saying no? What's your take?
सर मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ, आप क्या?
हाँ, but मेरे भी तो सवाल का जवाब है. मैं जवाब दूँगा definitely. What do you think? Do you think it's good?
No, I don't think it's good.
Why do you not think it's good?
Because जिनको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा वो basically like नहीं.
Because it spreads negativity,
Yeah.
right? And I think there's too much of that online. I feel like people are just like removing their frustration on random people. It's like, when you're going on the road and some random dog starts running after you, it's like, भाई मैंने तेरा क्या बिगाड़ा है? तू वहाँ बैठे रहे, मैं चल रहा था. So people are just waiting कि मैं किसके ऊपर jump मारूँ, online, and that's not nice. I think as a society we should not, because it gives you the advantage of being. Nobody knows who you are, you can't be found, you can't be tracked, nobody will take that pain to do that, and so you're saying things which are negative. I think if you don't like something, you don't need to comment about it. And if it's something which is a national issue, then of course people should comment about it. But I don't think it's good to put any kind of negativity out there. And I think sometimes that happens a lot on online, so I don't think it's a cool idea. You don't like something, you can just move on. Why do you have to say, I don't like you? That's not cool.
Hi, Shahid.
Hello.
Shahid here.
Yes,
What
right.
up you? Down.
Hi.
Shahid, अक्सर
I
लड़के
found you.
Thank you. I'm glad. अक्सर लड़के जब कॉलेज में होते हैं उनका टीचर्स पे क्रश होता है. जब आप इस कॉलेज में थे तो कोई टीचर थी जिन्हें
क्या होता है टीचर पे क्रश होती है, क्लास अटेंड करनी पड़ती है.
अच्छा तो आपका कॉलेज में क्लास के बाहर क्रश होता था?
नहीं, क्लास में भी लड़कियां अच्छी लगती थी मुझे. I haven't crushed on any teacher in Mithibai College. Because by then I'd grown up enough to crush on people same age. When you're younger, you think no response is going to happen, so you crush on anybody. I had reached that age where a little response used to happen. Hi. Sometimes a smile used to come. So.
Okay, last question. Last question from audience, then last question from media.
Hey guys, this is not fair. So people in the back are not going to get to ask questions. So we have one question from this side, one question from the other side. Please give him a mic.
One question, that's okay.
Yeah, so many people on that side.
Yeah, now you have a mic, Babu, you say. Yeah, sure.
So our team at Mithibai is Cittage is the Legion of Legends.
Hey, you're the one who asked me for a photo before I stood up.
Yeah, I did.
So you can come later, I'll give you one.
Thank you. The theme over here is the Legion of Legends. So the question is to both of y'all: who has inspired you the most, and who is your legend?
Who's your legend, Alia?
Both of y'all.
Stressful question, yaar. Time लगेगा अभी सोचने.
Chal, let's both walk and think like this.
Okay, I'll walk this way. Daddy किसी ने बोला.
Alia, come on. Do you want 4 options? I can give you 4 options.
Give.
Papa,
हाँ.
Mama, Karan Johar, and me. Choose. Come on.
You give me
It's okay,
very
you don't have
tough
to say me.
option. You give me very tough
And I'm
option.
going to lose, so why should I?
I don't believe in choosing in the people that matter most in my life.
It's a legion of legends, so you can name a few. Come on.
So the legends that he's just named: Papa, Mama, Karan Johar, Shahid Kapoor, Mahesh Bhatt, Soni Bhatt, Shahid Kapoor, Karan Johar. अभी आपकी बारी sir.
Yes, people who've inspired me. I honestly draw inspiration from anything and everything. I think inspiration can come in many different ways, and it doesn't have to be attributed only to people who are essentially the roots of your life. I mean, my family and the people that I work with, they are my roots, you know. They keep me grounded, they keep me real. But inspiration can come in many ways. It's inspiring to be here. I would like to say that at this moment I feel inspired and I feel the need to satisfy what it is that you all have given me, the amount of love that you've given me. I want to be able to give it back, I want to be able to do better work. So I think inspiration can come in many ways and it can come from many people. But at this moment I feel inspired to have been a student of this college a few years back and to be standing here on this stage and to be getting so much love makes me feel very inspired.
One question.
What about the top benchers, last benchers?
Yeah, somebody put that on. We can hear you, just go with your question, man. Come on.
Stand somebody. Alia, right. Alia, last question. Yeah, girl. Yeah. What's your name? Girlie, I was going to call you. Baby, but I'm asking her. Okay, but you also give. Achha, and I'm feeling bad now. What's your name?
Hello?
Yeah, what's your sincere request?
I want to sing the song Samjhava.
Samjhava, you want me to sing?
Come on, sing some Java. They love the song.
मैं तेनू समझा ना तेरे बिना लगन जी तू की जाने प्यार मेरा मैं करूँ इंतजार हार तेरा तू दिल तू ही जान मेरी जान मेरी जान मेरी. Okay, I think with that we should call it a
One question. One last question.
call it a sham.
One last question.
I am so sorry.
One last question.
One last question.
Here, in the middle.
Ji.
Yeah. Vikas Bhatt's last film won a lot of critical acclaim and national award for. Do you think you for a national award with this film? The question is for Alia.
Honestly speaking, I want to aim for National Hearts Award and all. It should reach to people's hearts. Forget critical acclaim. I want your emotional acclaim. I want you to be happy. I want you to come out of the film smiling. And I want you to say it was a Shankar experience. That's it.
Okay guys, now one
Okay, now
second. We need one question from the back. We've still not been able to do that. That will be the last question for this evening. So somebody from the back, anybody who has an legitimate question, please go for it.
Last row. You're the girl with the grey sweatshirt. Yeah.
Okay.
Give.
Since Shanta, the flow is awesome. Can you share one memory that you had with Shahid Kapoor? The best memory.
You know what she asked you, right? This is her thinking.
No, nothing. Honestly, the most amazing memory with me and Shahid was there's a moment where you realize and you feel like, oh God, I feel I know this person from another time. I feel like we had a connection. And the point is that we both felt it at the same time. We were in Leeds, we were at a cafe, it was a day off, and we were talking for like hours, and we were like, listen, I've never connected with somebody so much, so soon. So that was the most Shandar memory of me and Shahid.